shut the door at 10:04. Why specific? We're gonna figure out why. That nigga left his house door open and all that. Nigga, that ain't, yo, it gotta be some real shit to leave your fucking front bolt too. Not even, he didn't even shut the screen door, nothing. That nigga knew he was about to be late as fuck. 104, he had to make it there. What the fuck? Hell nah. It's 104. I made it, nigga. I said 104. 10:04. Shut the door at 10:04. Safe to leave at 8:13. These are some weird ass times. Like, that's specific as fuck. At 8:13, you're able to leave. What the fuck? Imagine an apocalypse like this, nigga. That would be some creepy ass, crazy shit, bro. It can't get in between now and then. Okay.